Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to change Gmail profile picture on Android phone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to easily change your Gmail account profile picture for Android phone. First of all, go to your browser and now make sure to sign into your Google account here. Once you successfully signed in this search box you have to type google.com and go to Google. Now tap on your Gmail or Google account profile photo and here tap on manage your Google account and here select personal info and under basic info you will see this option profile picture. Just tap on your profile photo and tap on add profile picture or change profile picture, and now you can select a profile picture from this illustration section. Also you can select a profile photo from Google photo section, and to upload your custom photo from your gallery just tap on device photos, continue, and now from your gallery you can select a profile photo for your Google or Gmail account. You can crop the photo and just tap on next, tap on save as profile picture, and as you can see I've successfully changed my Gmail profile picture. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.